This is not good news. The supports for the roll-off roof have gone rotten at the base. They seem to have rotted off just at the ground. I think that's due to all the wet weather we had a couple of years ago. Certainly haven't lasted as long as I expected, because it was put up in 2014. I think it might be wise to prop this up before I take out the existing strut, then I don't lose height. This is the base of the tallest post. It really is rotten. You can see at the bottom of the outer posts just how badly rotten they are. I checked the two middle posts and those actually seem quite good below ground level, so I think I'll just put some bitumen over the bottom 6 inches above ground level and below, and that should protect it. One thing I hadn't reckoned on was the corrosion in the screws holding the frames together. These I thought I was going to be able to reuse them, but I think it's best to throw those away. And I've got some more, not quite the same, but I think they'll do, external grade. I've got the first post hole dug, and I'm going to put some concrete around that now and get that nice and secure. Now I've got some screws I can secure my post into place. I ended up having to put more bracing in place. Once I realised that to bring the front brace off, I didn't want the rails to move apart. That's the first post concreted in, and I've carried the bitumen a bit further up the post for a bit of extra protection. I can also put a bit more concrete in later, and I'll probably fill it up to ground level for about 6 inches with gravel, but that's got the post in nice and deep and solid. I also cleaned off the two middle posts and put some bitumen around the bottom where it's in contact with the ground, and I'll probably put some gravel around there too, just to keep the water off. Seems to be smooth, going nice and smoothly. That's perfect. That's good. It's really good. This is what's powering my roll-off roof, my sun. Very good. Just tamping this down so it's nice and firm. That's pretty solid. That's a good repair. I'm very happy. It's a bit damp, but when I get a few dry days, I'm going to put a coat of preservative over the posts as an extra precaution. I think that the posts should be firm now for years to come, particularly with the concrete and the gravel and the bitumen around the bases. I'm going to print some caps for the stops because there's a lot of exposed end grain on there. I don't want the water getting into the screw holes and corroding the screws like it did last time. The last thing I want is an end stop popping off when I'm opening the observatory in a couple of years' time. So that's the only improvement I'm going to make. Otherwise, I just need the clouds to clear, then I can start doing some more astro imaging. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel.